Alright, so today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Lebron James and Space Jam collaboration. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, this shoes is already sold, so that's why I'm trying to do the unbox so I could ship it out. Anyway, let's go ahead and get it started. And this one is size 12.5. It comes with a big box, but it's pretty light. So it says Lebron James, Nike 2020 to 2021, just do it. BBZ 330, and it has a LeBron James symbol right there. And right here it says engineered to the exact specification of LeBron James. Got the Nike swoosh logo right here. Right here is gray. And you got the LeBron's iconic symbol right there. And you got all those Nike swoosh logo and stuff. It says box made in China. Let's go ahead and check on the size label right here on this side. Got the LeBron James again. And retail price on this is $160. There's a cutout opening right here. And with the tax and everything, it's about $174 something. And shoes is made in Vietnam. There's a QR code. It's a retail right here. And here's the UPC code, the barcode, in case you guys need the number. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys. And right here it says Space Jam, a new legacy, and all related characters and elements. Warner Brother Entertainment Inc., WB Shield. Wow, look at that. And they have YEOOOWWW. It's your Nike swoosh. It's like a TPU logo right here. And right here you got the brown. And you got the tongue squat right here on the top of the tongue. It's a rubberized material. And then you get the Lebron logo right here. There's your pink see-through airbag. What the? And then you get the Lebron's logo right here, stitching. It's a special texture right here, and also right here. And it says Nike React. And on the bottom of the outsole, you have the red, pink, white, and then the gamma also on the surrounding. And it says help with the hand sign. Go ahead and take a shoe tree. Oh, by the way, got the Nike deposit switch logo right there. Let me turn on the flash, kind of dark in there. There you go. And this is pretty padded. Go and check out the size label over there. It's kind of tricky. Alright, check out the other side. Wow. So this side is totally different color. And it says beep beep. Wow. And then the bronze icon symbol is in pink. And this part is yellow instead of black. And right here on this side is blue instead of red. anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.